Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing one of the most beloved animated characters of all time, Sheriff Woody from Toy Story. If you love Disney, Pixar, cartoon characters, and fun drawing tutorials, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to create even more free drawing tutorials for you. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's get started. We'll begin by sketching Woody's head shape and placing his facial features. Take your time with the eyes, nose, eyebrows, and smile. These details help capture Woody's friendly and confident personality. As always, feel free to pause the video whenever you need extra time. Drawing should be fun and relaxing, so work at your own pace. While we finish the drawing, here are some fun facts about Woody and the Toy Story universe. Woody's full name is Sheriff Woody Pride. This was confirmed by Pixar's Lee Unkrich years after the original movie was released. Woody first appeared in the original Toy Story movie in 1995, which became the world's first fully computer-animated feature film. Woody is a pull-string cowboy doll, and many of his famous phrases come from his built-in voice box. Some of Woody's most recognizable catchphrases include "Reach for the sky" and "There's a snake in my boot." Woody was voiced by actor Tom Hanks throughout the Toy Story films. Before Pixar finalized his design, Woody was originally planned to be much less friendly and even acted more like a villain in early story concepts. Now, let's move on to Woody's iconic cowboy hat. Pay attention to the wide brim, curved edges, and the decorative stitching around the hat. These little details instantly make him recognizable. Woody was inspired in part by classic cowboy toys and the famous television puppet show Howdy Doody. The character was designed by legendary Pixar artist Buzz Lightyear, whose work helped define Woody's iconic appearance. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And be sure to check out our complete collection of drawing tutorials by clicking the card above. We have lots of fun characters waiting for you. Also, let me know in the comments, would you like to see an exclusive Toy Story drawing playlist here on the channel? I'd love to hear which characters you'd like us to draw next. And here's a little surprise. Later this week, we'll be drawing Woody again, but this time in our retro cartoon style. So stay tuned because it's gonna be amazing. Next, we'll draw his neckerchief, sheriff vest, plaid shirt, belt, and badge. Throughout the Toy Story series, Woody serves as the leader of Andy's toys and always tries to make sure nobody gets left behind. In Toy Story 2, Woody discovers that he was once the star of a fictional 1950s television show called Woody's Roundup. Woody's best friend and adventure partner is Buzz Lightyear, even though the two started out as rivals in the first movie. At the end of Toy Story 4, Woody makes a major decision about his future and even passes his sheriff badge to Jessie, marking an important moment in his character journey. Let's continue refining the clothing details, adding the vest patterns, buttons, belt buckle, and the famous sheriff star. Remember, if any section feels tricky, you can always pause the video and follow along step by step.
darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach about heaven and hell. In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, she said honey now, yeah, just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music make everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close, moving over to me through the memories that only the shadows on the ceiling know. The whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody.
Now we're working on the arms and hands.
As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, said honey now, yeah, just keep doing what comes natural, the heat of the night. If we're lucky, the country music make everything alright. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said, "You want some coffee?" Said, "Yeah, babe, I take a little sugar in mine." She got up, put on a morning dress, but she forgot to put back on her disguise.
Notice the confident pose. Our sheriff is really starting to come to life. All right, now here are some tips for the coloring process. For Woody's classic look, start with a bright yellow base for the shirt and add the red plaid pattern over the top. His vest uses white and black cow print patches, while the jeans feature vibrant shades of blue. The hat is usually painted with warm brown tones. To make it feel more three-dimensional, try adding darker browns in the shadow areas and lighter highlights along the curved surfaces where light naturally hits. For the skin, use a light peach tone as the base color, then add slightly darker shades around the jawline, neck, ears, and under the hat to create depth. Small highlights on the cheeks and nose can help bring the face to life. The sheriff badge and belt buckle look great with bright yellow or golden tones, combined with lighter highlights for a shiny effect. Of course, these are just suggestions. Feel free to color Woody however you like and add your own creative touch to the artwork. For the yellow plaid shirt, we created a separate layer so we could add the red grid lines more easily. But feel free to draw those lines in black, use a red pencil if you're drawing traditionally, or use any method you enjoy most. We also sped up this section a little to keep the video flowing smoothly and avoid making it feel repetitive. And wow, our sheriff is looking fantastic in this heroic cowboy pose. And here's our Woody. What an incredible cowboy hero. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!